Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we're continuing with Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook recipes or compliant recipes to those with heart disease. And this one's coming from the Engine 2 Cookbook once again. We're making today
Banana bread.
Actually, look what it's called.
You say it.
Badass banana bread. And I've heard her say that. And if you're following along, it's on page 254. And it is a quick and delicious recipe. And my mom actually started already.
I start because we had these bananas that were going, getting really spotted.
And they look so brown, so gross. Our camera guy even called it.
No, but what we did, we put them in the refrigerator, which sort of stops them from getting worse. But then when they go in the refrigerator, they really turn black.
The skin turns black, but they stay white inside. So we were calling it nasty, which is a really nasty word, but it's actually delicious on the inside.
But when you take it out, when you peel it,
that isn't really
we don't want that in there. Anyway, it's not so horrible.
Mom, okay, we already had 3 in there.
Oh, you don't want this in there?
Well, no, it's fine. We'll go with it. We have, usually it calls for 3 spotted bananas. We now apparently have 4 spotted bananas in there. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. This is how
I think it would be probably make this even better.
Okay, well the dry ingredients are oat flour and baking soda and baking powder and some cinnamon and some nutmeg. So these all stirred together, mixed in. When you're done with that, will you mix those in? Actually, here, let's do this. And we'll put the maple syrup in the water.
And you may not need as much maple syrup when you have all those bananas.
Yeah, that might be the answer to less maple syrup. I'm going to stir that. And I'm going to measure out some of the things that we did not.
I am stirring too many things all at once. This is very difficult.
Okay, well this is actually probably stirred up enough. But what I want to add to there before we add it all together was 2 tablespoons of applesauce, and we use Mott's applesauce, the 100% natural, no sugar added. Actually, we probably wouldn't need this with extra banana. This is probably going to be an extra moist, extra sweet version of banana bread.
Whenever I use applesauce, I use the whole container. Why do you only use 2? I always use the whole container just because I don't like part of a container.
That's why
I'm
not that inconvenienced by using 2 tablespoons. I close it up and I use it again. All right, let me continue. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oh, this one is, we've got like 6 vanillas over here. That one wasn't open. This one is. 1 tablespoon.
Wow. I love vanilla.
Yes. And
the smell of it is just delicious.
Now what's so cool is that we use apple cider vinegar in here, and this is obviously going to react with the baking soda in here, so the acid base make it rise kind of thing. Okay, ready to join? And there we go. People would probably do it much more elegantly. We just do it like this.
This is elegant in this beautiful bowl.
Isn't it a pretty bowl?
This makes you want to make banana bread in this bowl.
Okay, I'm making sure I got all the details. And if you want to add things into this, you can. Like sometimes, if I'm making this for like our kiddos or for school, my kids would like to have it with chocolate chips.
Raisins.
Walnuts. That would not be so plant perfect, but maybe pistachios, cherries. I don't know, what goes well with bananas? Just about anything.
Raisins.
Really?
I love raisins in things.
All right, so we have a loaf pan, and it's parchment lined. And we're gonna make this. Okay. You want to? Do you want to
hold
scrape?
it?
No, here you scrape. I'll hold.
I'll hold. You scrape.
And then here, so the camera can see us loading it in. All the mixed up powder and all. There we go. And then once we have it all in here in the oven, cranking on up to 400, and it's going to go in for 30 minutes. 30 minutes at 400. All right, that looks
I'm tired of doing that.
I'm going to put a little vertebral column down, and there are 4 different sections of our spine. There's the cervical, there's the thoracic.
It tastes good.
There's the lumbar. And there's the sacral.
That's cute.
Yeah.
That's nice.
All right, so Indy's going to go for 30 minutes at 400. Here we go.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, a little displacement of the sacral spine. That's okay. That's okay. Here we're going to taste that. Oh, did it come free? Oh. All right, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay. Banana bread. No, what's it called? What's the name?
Badass banana bread.
She said it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're going to have Wade try, you try, I try. Here you go.
It's really good, but you know what? It needs raisins.
Oh my God. Okay. Go make your banana bread
No, it's
with
really
whatever
good.
you want. Bye-bye.